Yoga is a global phenomenon right now, with people practicing all over the world. All different cultures, all different ethnicities, all different religions are so inspired to get on the mat and taste this ancient practice. Why is that? Why is yoga so popular in our contemporary age, and why has it exploded like wildfire all around the world? One of the reasons I think yoga is so popular is that right now we live in an age where suffering is present in such a degree so that we're able to watch it and observe it. There's just enough time in our lives to be able to actually interact in a first-person basis with suffering, not only our individual levels, but actually the sort of pain that's present when we look at the whole world. The earth in crisis, human populations in crisis, human lives in crisis, animal lives in crisis, environments in crisis. There are so many crises that surround the world right now. And while that might not be the most pleasant thing to think about, and might not immediately make the connection with yoga, actually some of the root of what draws us into the spiritual path is when we realize that there is so much suffering that surrounds us in this material world that we seek to find a more permanent source of happiness, peace, and truth. So that calling that comes from the recognition of suffering is a calling to rise up with compassion, with wisdom in our own hearts. So I feel like I see in the eyes of so many students and in the hearts of so many students, including myself, all around the world, a sincere desire to live a more peaceful life, to make the world a more peaceful, more harmonious place for all. And utilizing the tools of the spiritual practice, we can begin by creating that peaceful environment within ourselves and ultimately be empowered to make our world a more peaceful and a more harmonious place.